disposal in afterburner, running in the Eurofighter Typhoon FDR-4. Much slower, and Nathan will be bringing the Typhoon back in at just 120 knots, which is right on the lower limit for this aircraft, right just above its stalling speed. Of course, he's assisted very much in this by the digital fly-by-wire control system, but out of this he'll be punching in the reheat on the two EJ200 engines and showing us just how quickly the aircraft can accelerate, because he'll be climbing into a slow speed loop. Squadron leader Nathan Scheuer from number 29 Squadron with the Eurofighter Typhoon FGR-4.